The Chrysler 6.4 392 HEMI V8 stands as one of the last true naturally aspirated muscle car engines in the modern era. First introduced in 2011 for the Dodge Challenger SRT8, this powerhouse was designed to blend old-school American displacement with modern engineering. Later adopted into heavy-duty Ram trucks, the 6.4-liter HEMI proved itself as a versatile engine, capable of thrilling performance on the street and raw pulling power on the job site. But like any big V8, it comes with its quirks, strengths, and long-term considerations. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 6.4L HEMI tick, literally and figuratively. Built upon the foundation of the smaller 5.7 HEMI, the 6.4 HEMI is an evolution of Chrysler's classic pushrod V8 architecture. It's based on a 90-degree cast-iron block with a deep skirt design and cross-bolted main bearing caps, providing exceptional rigidity. The 6.4 adds a forged steel crankshaft and piston cooling jets, which spray oil on the undersides of the pistons to reduce heat. This helps the engine maintain stability under high loads, especially important for towing or performance driving. The engine features high-strength connecting rods and large, flat-top pistons. While the pistons aren't forged, they're optimized for balance and smoothness rather than extreme boost pressure. Cylinder heads are a refined version of the 5.7s, featuring 2 valves and 2 spark plugs per cylinder for efficient combustion. Larger intake and exhaust ports improve airflow by over 10%, contributing to the 6.4's broad torque curve. Depending on application, the intake manifold differs. Short runners for high RPM power in SRT cars and dual-length runners in trucks to boost low-end torque. The valve train uses hydraulic roller lifters, sodium-filled exhaust valves, and a variable valve timing system, VVT, that adjusts cam phasing for better performance and efficiency. The engine's lubrication system includes an oil-to-water cooler, and Chrysler's multi-displacement system, MDS, allows it to deactivate 4 cylinders under light loads to save fuel. The 6.4 HEMI delivers what enthusiasts expect: massive, naturally aspirated muscle. In SRT applications like the Charger and Challenger, output sits around 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, while in Ram HD trucks, it's tuned slightly differently for 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet. Power delivery is linear, with a signature HEMI growl that defines the American V8 experience. While it's not turbocharged or supercharged like the Hellcat 6.2, the 6.4 offers immediate throttle response and an old-school mechanical feel. It's happiest at mid to high RPM, delivering strong acceleration while maintaining a surprisingly smooth idle. The engine runs well on 89 octane, but can also handle 87 when necessary, giving it flexibility for everyday use. Despite its strength and durability, the 6.4-liter HEMI isn't without weaknesses. Most issues stem from heat management, oil quality, and the complexity added by modern systems like MDS and VVT. A known problem for both cars and trucks, the exhaust manifolds can warp under high temperatures, especially during towing or spirited driving. This causes exhaust leaks, often heard as a ticking sound at idle. If left unchecked, it can lead to broken manifold bolts or power loss. Routine inspections can prevent serious damage. Perhaps the most infamous quirk, the rhythmic ticking noise from the valve train or lifters, is common across many HEMI engines. It's often related to the MDS system or thin engine oil. While it rarely affects performance, it can be annoying. Regular oil changes with the recommended 040 synthetic oil usually keep it in check. The MDS system helps improve fuel economy by deactivating cylinders, but it's sensitive to oil quality and cleanliness. Faulty MDS solenoids or dirty oil passages can cause misfires or rough running when the system activates. Some owners choose to disable MDS through tuning to avoid these issues, especially in performance builds. Some 6.4-liter HEMIs consume oil more quickly than expected, particularly when maintenance intervals are stretched. Regularly checking and topping off oil is essential to prevent wear or overheating. The engine's immense torque can put strain on automatic transmissions, especially in older vehicles or under heavy towing conditions. Harsh shifts or slipping can indicate the need for transmission fluid service or component replacement. In general, the 6.4-liter HEMI has earned a reputation as a robust and long-lasting engine with proper maintenance. Chrysler backed the engine with a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty, further proving its confidence in the design. That said, the 6.4L isn't built for extreme aftermarket boost. Its cast pistons and relatively thin ring lands make it unsuitable for heavy forced induction without internal upgrades. Whether under the hood of a Challenger, Charger, or Ram HD, the 6.4L HEMI stands as one of the last naturally aspirated giants in an age of downsizing and turbocharging, a true reminder of what makes muscle cars great.